Hello everybody. So we're back. Give you a little update. We have the frame rail mounted for the rear. Just got to stitch. Just have them stitch welded right now. We're gonna actually fully weld them in sometime during the week. I'm gonna be taking out the rear bumper today, so we can figure out how we're gonna run the exhaust. So right now, as you can see, everything is basically in place. So the back is done. Just gotta figure out the front. So more or less, this is how it looks. Still have the factory seat locations because we're gonna figure out a way how to make the custom seats fit here. But just gotta make the brackets for the front where we could attach this mount to some kind of fixture to attach it to the frame rail of the car. Then we're gonna start sheet metaling the rest of the body to close this in. But possibly next week this will all be finished, and then we're working on mounting the diff in the center. So I just ordered up some parts for it, and then we should be good. So maybe in about week and a half, 2 weeks, we'll have this whole thing secured by itself. Working on how we're gonna make the shocks fit, because we have to move the location of the shocks. We'll make completely new shock mounts, and then that's really all I can say at this point, because I don't know what's next. Got a few little odds and ends. I gotta figure out how we're gonna do the differential, how we're gonna mount it. Also, the drive shaft, we have to most likely extend it so it's in line with the axles. Then cut the axles, make custom axles. So yeah, we got some work cut out for us, but we're moving. So this is what happened when you do the first one. I know there's probably an easier way. People can say stuff, but this is what I had planned. This is what we're working on, and so far it's coming together. Anybody got any better ideas? Let me know. So today we're gonna be taking out the bumper. Got to take out these screws. Take out these tabs right here. Actually, let me see if I could take it out without taking those out. There should be these bolts that hold the whole bar. Bumper basically. Take those out, and then see if I just remove the whole entire bumper. So we're gonna walk you through the process and teach you guys how to take off the back bumper along with myself, because I haven't done this in so long, so I don't remember, and I still have to put in the lights. Oh, it's gonna be a very short video. The bumper's already off. So basically, those two bolts right here that holds the bumper in place, take those out. They come around. Then there's 4 bolts. There's one here. There's one here. There's like a nut. Same over here. Same down there. Take all those off and just pull the bumper off. And the whole thing comes off at the crash beam. So there's 2 more bolts underneath here. Actually, no, it all comes out. Just gotta drag it off. She's off. There's a light. Okay, so she's off. This little bracket. So now I gotta get the light, I guess, mounted now, or I'm gonna have to take everything off. Regardless of what, it's gonna get painted, so yeah, whatever, right? Just start cleaning up the body of the car, taking off things I don't need, figuring out all the problem areas, like up here. There's a little bit of rust I'm gonna take care of before it spreads. A little bit popping up there, so look like surface, nothing too major. This is the time I wish I knew how to paint, because that will come in handy. But one step at a time, right guys? So thanks for watching. Just very short video, and I'll keep you guys posted. The all-wheel drive swap is going well. We're almost there, guys.